How to see your subscriptions on Yahoo Mail. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your subscriptions on Yahoo Mail easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to your mail, go to mail.yahoo.com. This is the home page, as you can see. Now if you want to see your subscriptions, all what you have to do is go down here and go to this views option and click show, and now go down and click on subscriptions, and here you will find your active subscriptions, and if you click it here you will find the unsubscribed. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.